Hello. This is so weird. I just edited the video you're about to watch. Hi, I'm Elizabeth. And I haven't posted a YouTube video in a long time. It is October 5th right now, and my hair is shorter. I don't know. I'm not looking good in the footage you're about to see. But I figured it's an exciting thing. I'll want to look back on it. So I'm going to post this video. And I intro what actually is happening right now.
Oh
my god.
That suitcase is huge!
I can't peek? No. I'm not even letting Lauren tell me what's in it. Hey everybody. I'm Elizabeth. I haven't posted a YouTube video in quite a long time, and there's a lot of reasons for that, but that'll be a different video if anything. A big part of my campus life and my actual life has been as a Pink campus rep, and I know I talked about this on my channel when I was a lot more active. Because of my work as a campus rep, we did so well, me and my partner Lauren, shout out. We were actually recognized as one of the top 11 schools in the whole Pink campus rep program for the 2019 and 2020 school year. And so we were supposed to go on a trip to New York City and Columbus, where Pink is headquartered, but obviously we could not because that was supposed to be in March, and that is when COVID was super bad and still is. I still wouldn't go on a trip to New York City right now on, what is it, June 3rd? Yeah. We were supposed to go on this trip, and we obviously couldn't because of the COVID crisis, which is a smart decision, but I am sad that I missed out on that opportunity. But I'm also grateful that that amazing trip that like not a lot of people get to experience was my only loss so far from COVID. People are losing their lives and family time and other stuff like that, and graduation. So yeah, but instead of the trip, we got a monetary prize, and then we also got this suitcase. It's literally bigger than me. It's from Away Luggage, and our coordinator Emily and other people that work at Pink stuffed this suitcase with everything we were supposed to get on the trip, and I just wanted to document it because I've been really looking forward to this. This is the large suitcase from Away Luggage, and it's really large. I have a pretty big head, and it's like... Also, there's construction in my neighborhood, and I'm also in quarantine in my family home, and I also look bad because I just went on a walk, but I'm way too excited about this to actually fix up my appearance, and I hope that my excitement shows through on here. So first thing I see when I open up is this huge FedEx box. And then also a yoga mat that says, "Yes, girl, you can." What the heck? So cool. Oh, this is so cute. A matching luggage tag. It like matches the color. This is too cute. It says yes to new adventures XO Pink. A brand new hydro flask. I've never had a hydro flask ever in my life. I'm excited to try this and sticker it. I just want to... I know I've opened like 2 things, but I am so grateful for everything that Pink and being in this program has given me. Like, not just like material things. Like, I've made new friends. Like, I've made like a new friend at school through like Lauren. I've made new friends all across the country that I would have never met before if I wasn't in this program. I have stuff to post on my LinkedIn every single week. I've just gotten so much experience that I will treasure for the rest of my life and just like remember as a huge part of my college experience, even though this COVID stuff has kind of put a damper on that. But as I said in the beginning, people are losing so much more than their freaking free Pink trip, you know? What? Is this a pillowcase? Oh, this is so cute. There's 2. Oh, it says dream big. I've been having crazy dreams lately. Off topic. This is just like a mystery surprise box. Oh my gosh. This is from Beach Waver. Okay, so my co-rep Lauren is actually also a rep for Beach Waver, so this is funny. I'm about to go text her after this. Okay, so we were supposed to go to Ohio on the trip, so there's a little Ohio tote bag. But Ohio is also the halfway point between college and home for me, so I always go there anyway. Cute. More pink hair accessories. Scrunchie. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh my goodness. It's just overflowing with hair stuff. Wait, I love this color. I don't have this color pink scrunchie yet. Such a pretty, like, jade green. Literally the most hair accessories in the entire world. I will be stocked for the rest of my life on pink stuff. Oh my gosh. A beach waver travel brush. This is so funny. I'm like texting Lauren right after this. A pink gift card. Oh, and little stickers. Wait, I'm putting this on the water bottle. Oh my god. Oh my god, a pink gift card and a Starbucks gift card. And this is so cute. I think there's like a company called All Things Lily Ann and it looks just like it, so I think it's that. Wait, oh, this is precious. There's so many little pink stickers. I'm gonna decorate my Hydro Flask. So that was the whole FedEx box. I can't believe there's already so much amazing stuff in there. I can't believe there's more in this huge suitcase. Goodbye. Like, pink literally spoils me. Like Christmas every freaking all the time. What? There's this cutie pillow. It says happy place. Literally have been eyeing this on the pink website every time I go on there. This is so cute. Now I have an Ohio memento and a New York. This is literally too cute. I'm gonna say like literally and cute so many times I'm gonna sound like the most basic girl, but I promise I'm just so excited. I'm not one for, you know, amazing sentences either, so I'm sorry. And then a jean jacket. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. I don't have any, like I have a jean jacket, but it's like oversized and then not cropped. I don't have any jean jacket that's like this. Full duffel bag. Okay, I think that's it. Wow, I could say so many things about pink. I'm just, I already had a little sentimental moment earlier, but I'm so grateful to be in this program. Like, also, why not announce I am going to be a senior this year at Iowa, so I was picked again to be a campus rep next year, so I'm really excited to do it all over again and with Lauren in the fall. So yeah, and then I also got a neon sign, so, and that was for a different initiative. It wasn't about the trip, it was totally different, something else we did during the year that we got rewarded for, so I will insert clips of that right here. Okay, so there was footage of this, of me and my brother unboxing this. I looked gross. It was the same day. I got everything on the same day. And I was just so excited. You know, remember like quarantine, lockdown quarantine, the walks were the most exciting part of your day. I was just back from a walk and it was probably like 9 degrees. I was looking gross. It was a mess of an unboxing, but the neon sign is my prized possession. It is over my bed right now. Love my messy bed. And I'll turn it on for you right now. Alexa, turn on my neon sign. Also, chin pimple, that's so annoying. But look how cute. Let's turn off the lights. Vibes. I just sit here on my bed is so bad right now. Me editing this video right now. Wow. Vibes. The vibes. Yep. So, thanks for watching. I don't know when I'll ever post a vid again. I just, honestly, my creative outlet that I didn't have when I was making YouTube videos is full now because I have pink and I have like a job and I have all this other creative stuff that I do. But everybody who watched and is still watching, because I'll probably put some other stuff on here. I'll have memory things that I'll want. Thanks for watching. I'll see you TBD.